Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Top. My video is only for the educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware. I got this ransomware sample on the virus total database, which is run by Google. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files from any possible ransomware attack. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open any file types without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this top ransomware may be easily injected into the device. It is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this top extension to the file names. Then it is impossible to use the data. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So this is the ransom note as a pop-up window, and another text file, also a ransom note. So do not pay the ransom, do not waste your money. If you pay the ransom, that's a mistake, and this does not guarantee the file restoration. Now, what I recommend you to urgently do is to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, then click on Start Scan button. The software will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on Start Scan button, the software would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So do not skip this very important step. And then, after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and you can always request for the fully functional free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. As for file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.